10 Best Books on Nutrition You Need to Read This Year. Understanding nutrition is the cornerstone of a healthy life. Whether you're seeking ways to lose weight, boost your energy, or simply eat better, the right books can make all the difference. In this list of the 10 best books on nutrition, you'll find expert insights, science-backed advice, and practical strategies to transform your health. These reads are perfect for anyone, from beginners wanting to start their health journey to seasoned nutrition enthusiasts. Let's delve in. Number 1. How Not to Die by Dr. Michael Greger. This groundbreaking book explores how diet can prevent, treat, and even reverse chronic diseases. Dr. Greger presents compelling evidence on the health benefits of plant-based nutrition. With actionable advice, recipes, and a humorous touch, it's a must-read for anyone seeking better health. Number 2. The Blue Zone's Kitchen by Dan Buettner. Inspired by the lifestyles of the world's longest-living people, this book provides over 100 recipes from Blue Zone's regions. It delves into the cultural and nutritional habits that contribute to longevity and well-being, making it an eye-opener for readers. Number 3. The Complete Guide to Fasting by Dr. Jason Fung. Intermittent fasting has taken the nutrition world by storm. This guide explains the science behind fasting and its role in weight loss and improved metabolism. Dr. Fung offers simple, practical steps to integrate fasting into your routine. Number 4. Salt, Sugar, Fat by Michael Moss. Unveiling the dark secrets of the processed food industry, this investigative book reveals how big corporations engineer foods to be addictive. It's an eye-opening read for anyone looking to reduce unhealthy cravings and take control of their diet. Number 5. The China Study by T. Colin Campbell and Thomas M. Campbell II. Dubbed the most comprehensive study of nutrition ever conducted, this book highlights the link between diet and chronic disease. It's a deep dive into the benefits of whole, plant-based foods for achieving optimal health. Number 6. Eat to Beat Disease by Dr. William Li. This science-backed guide introduces the concept of food as medicine. Dr. Li outlines specific foods that can activate your body's natural defense systems, offering a roadmap to prevent illness and promote longevity. Number 7. Genius Foods by Max Lugavere. Want to optimize your brain health through nutrition? Genius Foods connects the dots between what you eat and how you think, feel, and perform. It's a powerful guide to smarter eating and a sharper mind. Number 8. Food Rules, An Eater's Manual by Michael Pollan. A short, practical book offering simple principles for eating wisely, Food Rules distills decades of research into digestible rules like eat food, not too much, mostly plants. Its straightforward advice is easy to implement and incredibly effective. Number 9. Real Food for Pregnancy by Lily Nichols. This comprehensive guide for expectant mothers highlights nutrient-dense foods for both mother and baby. Nichols combines research and practical tips to debunk myths and provide a roadmap for a healthy pregnancy. Number 10. In Defense of Food by Michael Pollan. Another classic by Pollan, this book simplifies nutrition by emphasizing the importance of eating whole foods. His mantra, eat food, not too much, mostly plants, serves as a timeless guide to eating well. Conclusion. The journey to better health begins with knowledge, and these books are a treasure trove of insights. From understanding the science of fasting to exploring the secrets of longevity, each title on this list offers practical advice to enhance your nutrition. Whether you're looking to revamp your eating habits or deepen your understanding of food's impact on your health, these books are essential reads. So, pick a title, start reading, and take the first step toward a healthier, more nourished you.